Heather and I'm back with another video, and today we're talking about Pop Beauty. They have come out with a skincare line, Pop Beauty Skin, and I'm assuming that's what they call it. Yes, Pop Beauty Skin. They sent me a cute little card and a few of their new products, and as always, any information I can get for you will be down in the description. I always try to link everything down there. If it's not included in the video, if you're not seeing it at the bottom of the screen, it will be down there if I have information to share with you. So the first thing I'm going to show is the Kombucha Probiotic Mask, and I have not tried this one out yet. It's still sealed, but it says it's a probiotic superfruit. It's a reset button for stressed and problematic skin. It's balancing, fortifying, and soothing, and it just has like the little twist top here, so it sets real nice. I like that, so it doesn't leak out. I cannot wait to use this because we all know I have problematic, stressed out skin. It's always mad at me for something, so I've used this one time. It is the Pop Beauty Lit AF Essence. It's a skin perfecting essence. It looks like this, super cute. What do they say about it? It's hard to read this little white writing on the back of the bottles. Botanical gel essence infused with Pop's proprietary recovery complex to quickly replenish, energizing, hydrating, and rejuvenating. And I just used it once. I just had it a couple of days, so I've not had a chance to use it a lot, but I do like it. And it just comes out the top here. It just comes out the top here like this, and you just put it on your hands, and then that's one that you tap into your skin. The essences just kind of get patted in there. So I'm curious as to what kind of changes this will have on my skin. This is the Extra Shot Aqua Shot Rehydrating Serum, and I love hydrating serums. I'm oily, but my skin becomes dehydrated, so I always have to use some kind of hydration serum. This is coconut water and ceramide to trap moisture to skin and quickly rehydrate, deeply hydrating, rejuvenating, and soothing. First of all, I love this packaging. The color is everything. Like, this is something that I would have picked up if I saw it in store, but it also is very nice. I like it. I've only used it twice, so far so good. I will update. You will be seeing these in favorites or what I repurchase and videos like that to come, but I definitely just wanted to kind of show you that there's new stuff on the market. This is the So Balm Hydrating Toner Stick, and it smells like oranges or something, like vitamin C. It says it is to hydrate, tone, and smooth skin to keep looking radiant. It's probiotic rich, moisturizing, and balancing. So that's what it looks like. I've only tried it once, just being honest. I have not tried it. Oh, the tab's up in there, but it's just a little, and you just roll it on and kind of just tap it into the skin. So far so good. I'm hoping it can help fade some of the new, thanks to masking the new scars that I have, but you know, we will give it a go, and like I said, you will see it in future videos. This is the Be Gone Clarifying Cica Stick. I love Cica Balms. I have several. The one that I've repurchased is the number 7 Cica Balm, but I'm very curious how this works because I do have redness. I use lots of products that cause irritation. I have acne, so Cica is soothing and it's amazing. I have not opened this. I have not tried it yet, but I definitely will give it a go because I have tried several other Cica or tiger grass, whatever it's called. I've tried several of those products, so I will let you know. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this little PR haul. I get great feedback from you guys. You're always curious as to what I'm getting. So if you don't follow me on Instagram to see it there first, I'm so glad you're here on YouTube. Please be sure you're subscribed. Have your post notifications turned on so you never miss a video. Leave all your comments down below. If you have a channel, leave that down below. I'd love to check you out, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.